Imagine female manslaughter prophetess sentenced for life imprisonment in Port Harcourt. See who she is. A River State High Court sitting in Port Harcourt has convicted and sentenced two women, Onyema Bright and Edna Weleru, to life imprisonment for the death of one Israel, George Will. Edna Weleru, a prophetess with a church in Rumuche community in Emehua local government area of the state, was reported to have prepared a poisonous substance in the name of love potion for Onyema Bright Welu to administer on her man friend, late Israel George Will, who was a prophet in another church within the community. The murder case was instituted in 2012, but the trial judge, Justice Adolphus Enebeli, in his judgment on Thursday, 2021, found the two accused persons guilty of manslaughter. Justice Enebele ruled that the prosecutor was able to prove their case and that the statement of the first defendant, Bright Welu, at the police station was voluntary. She had stated at the station that she administered the love potion to her man friend as was prepared by her prophetess, who is the second defendant in the matter for the purpose of financial assistance, but never knew it would turn out to cause his death. The judge, after considering all the facts presented by the parties, convicted the accused to life imprisonment without an option of fine. Speaking to journalists outside the courtroom, Principal Prosecution State Counsel Chidi Eka described the judgment as not only justice for the deceased and his family, but also for the state and Nigerian at large. However, counsel to the first defendant, Chukwu Vincent, vowed to appeal the judgment. That's it. Yeah, that's it. You see, when you are warning some persons to be careful of this church to church, church to church, church to church movement, they will not hear. They will not. They will say, no, he's a prophet, he's a prophetess, he's this, he is that, that, this. They will make all of the noise. Look at how many of these people have been deceived by these prophets. See, I'm afraid of two people in this world. Do you know who they are? The soldiers. In fact, let me put it, the militaries and men of God. Prophets and prophetess. These are the two people I'm afraid of. Because we have plenty of them as fakes. And if you look at the people whose life has been destroyed, you will see that most of them are coming from these people I just mentioned now. And that serves this very man right. See, we men, some of the men are just lost. They are lost. They think that it is all women are good people. Because she is a prophet, you think that she is good. And this serves this woman right too. Going to make a love potion, to get a love potion for a man friend, to love her the more, that serves her right. Women who always want to go extra mile in making their man friend or their husband to love them the more. This is what turns out to be the outcome. Hey! Why is it that this happens mostly in Nigeria? It happens in other countries, but Nigeria is the worst. I'm telling you, Nigeria is the worst. You've not gone to check. Go and check. Nigeria is worse. It happens mostly in Nigeria. And to this very moment, they have refused to change. I'm telling you, it happens mostly in Nigeria. I wonder when all of these are going to stop. I call this church prostitution. That's what I call it. Church prostitution. Moving from one church to the other, one church to the other, one church to the other. You don't have one church. You don't have one single church. Looking for miracle. Looking for how to get a love portion to make your husband to love you the more. The particular love that your husband have for you is not original. You want the original one. They have given you the original one. You have gotten the original one. Get delivered. I don't know why is the women always fall victim the most. They fall victim the most. See, listen to me through this channel. You are only getting deceived. Now, no job in Nigeria. Everybody wants to get money, and the fastest means they feel that they can get money is to become a pastor. Not all of them are called. They are not called. Let me tell you. You better be careful. Be careful of the people you go to lay hands on your head. Be careful of the people you go to pray for you, to seek advice from. Not all are called. Not all are called, my dear. You need to be careful. You need to be mindful of them. They may not be called. They may not be called. Do you understand? Please. It is for your own good and no other person's good. Be warned. Be warned. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. I'm telling you, these people are all deceivers. See what has just happened to this woman now. See what she has just put herself into. She won extraordinary love from her boyfriend. She went to get a love portion from the one that called herself a prophetess. Nowadays, prophets now attach God's work with devilish work. God Almighty is not asking you, he's not saying that it is a must that you must serve him. He said, make a choice. Make your choice. That's what God said. He's not forcing you. You have the right to make your choice. You cannot serve two masters at a time. You must choose one. You must choose one. That's what he said. He said, choose one. If to serve me or to serve the devil. But you will surely regret it if you serve the devil. Because it wasn't the devil that created you. If not for God, you won't be in this earth. It is God that brought you. So why going for the devil? Why? What's the gain? What's the gain? You're only getting yourself destroyed by doing that. You are, but you don't know. You are. That's it. But a lot of you don't know. You think you are doing the right thing. Unknown to you that you are lost. Completely lost. Completely lost. Many of our brethren, sisters and brothers, this is what they do. This is what they do. Obasanjo will always say, I laugh, but you don't know why. Alright. Let me hear from you from the outside, my dear viewers in the house, based on this very matter. Please, if you are new, don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.